and everybody was in shambles. They're like, Shanice, are you expecting again? Guys, listen. It's your girl Couture Shans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Couture Gang. Here on YouTube, I focus mainly on fashion, sewing, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any one of those, then you're definitely at the right place. I definitely love to have you as a part of the fam. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel down below, leave a like on this video, leave a comment as well, and tell me that you're new here. Welcome. I hope you enjoy. So today, guys, I am back with a live update. If you noticed, or maybe you haven't, I've definitely took a hiatus from YouTube to focus on my business as well as myself and some family matters. It's been about 4 to 5 months that I last posted a video. I think it was a styling video where I showed you how to rock a kimono 5 ways. So I leave a link to that video down in the description and you can check it out. In the meantime, go and grab a snack, come on back because I have some juicy details for you. It's mostly personal and I really don't share personal things like that with anyone, but I feel like we're family now, or we're getting to that point. So I'd love to share with you what's been going on in my life. Let's go. The main thing that I have been focusing on lately is managing my mental health. Guys, this pandemic has been one of the roughest times for me, and I'm sure you can all attest to that. It has been hard. It has taken a toll on me in so many ways. Oh my goodness. I just had to step back and take some time for myself. Self-care, OMG. I cannot stress how important that is. You come first. Don't let anyone tell you that you must stretch yourself thin for them, especially in a time like this. Always put yourself first. So for me, that means just surrounding myself with positive individuals, positive self-thoughts, and basically just taking care of my health and my mental state. I've been going out, let's say a couple times per month, but you know, it's just to let loose and relax because I'm really cooped up in the house all day sewing. So when I get that chance to just go out and enjoy myself, trust me, I jump on it. I went to the spa the other day and OMG, I felt like I could fly afterwards. Like I felt like a burden was just lifted, and I don't know, it helps. So if you're looking for ways to, you know, manage your health, your wealth, your peace of mind, to just relax, I think booking a spa date is something that you should suggest, and I can leave some recommendations for you down below. So just leave a comment and let me know if you're interested in that. Another tip for managing your mental health is positive affirmations. Every day I get up, I tell myself that I am beautiful, I am blessed, I am loved, I have a purpose, I'm here for a reason, and that is enough to keep on going. So if you're ever feeling down, stressed, depressed, trust me, we've all been there, and the onus is on you to find ways to overcome it. Some people listen to music, some people go, oh, you can go to the beach, whatever floats your boat, but find an escape. For me, that escape was definitely sewing. I tend to sew about, I'd say, 20 hours out of the day. When I'm not sleeping, guys, I am sewing, and that's just my love. So that is a way that I, you know, escape from it all. So find something that you love and just bask in it. Trust me, it really does help. So for those of you who know, I do have 3 online businesses: Club Couture JA, Club Couture Exquisite, and Twisted Tees. So I've mainly been focusing on those 3 right now. They are like my little babies, and I'm just trying to put my all in. Being the head cook and bottle washer, as they would say, it really takes a toll on me and my time, because really and truly, I'm the one who has to head everything. I'm the one who has to deal with production, sales, marketing, accounting, you name it. So really and truly, I am stretched thin right now when it comes to my business, but I am enjoying every single moment of it. I plan to grow my business as organically as I can. So I'm just taking it slow, putting in the groundwork, and I know it will pay off soon. Sales has been steady, revenue has been going up, but at the end of the day, guys, we're in a pandemic and we all know how the restrictions are. These COVID restrictions are getting out of hand, trust me. The place just locked down, people not gone away. I mean, who have the little sneaky link them on the road, but really and truly, it has taken a toll on my business, guys. but I am still being positive and hoping that we'll get past it soon. Another thing that I have been focusing on lately is TikTok. Guys, TikTok is just so much fun. So if you're on TikTok, go ahead and follow me at Couture Shans, and don't forget to interact with me because I love interacting with you guys. For me, TikTok is just way easier than YouTube. I don't have to sit down and do these lengthy videos and then take the time to edit, and it's just a lot. TikTok is just a synopsis of YouTube, and so I find it easier to remain consistent over there. But I am trying to channel all of that energy that I have on TikTok and put some over here on YouTube because I definitely want to grow my channel, guys. For the year, I have a goal. Let me say it. I'm gonna put it out there in the universe. I want to get to 1K.
Oh my God! Wow!
By the end of the year. Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible? I do. I think it's possible, and as I said, I want to remain consistent over here, put in the work, and I'm sure I'll see the results. So I'm not even worried, guys. Get your friends to subscribe. You know what? Share this video. Yes, I said it. Wait, are you even subscribed? I'm telling you to get your friends subscribed, and you're probably not even subscribed. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, you can go ahead and do it now. If you do it already, hold on. Okay, thank you. Guys, a lot has been going on in my personal life. OMG, I'm afraid to say it. The other day I made a post which was a throwback to my first pregnancy, and everybody was in shambles. They're like, Shanice, are you expecting again? Guys, listen, this was supposed to be my hot girl summer, so I have no plans on going back down that road. Trust me, not for now at least. I have 2 boys already, and they are definitely a handful. So no, for all who's been asking, there is not a new baby on the way, at least not for now. I definitely want that little girl, but it's gonna take some time. Mama has some stuff to do, and then I'll get back. Okay, next thing that has been on my mind is basically building my dream life. So that includes my dream home, my dream car, my dream surrounding. I am definitely putting things in place to achieve that. I have a car in mind. A girl need our license first. Yeah, I have my learners, but I've been putting off getting my license because if you know me on the road, Jamaican road never make for drive on, especially not by me. I have a chronic fear of Jamaican roads, guys. Between the truck man, the taxi man, the bus man, everybody can't take it. Anxiety, stress, everything. I don't mind being chauffeured for the rest of my life. Like, come on, that's not too bad. But a girl needs to be, you know, independent and, you know, get her own whip, beep beep. So that is definitely in the works. What type of car, you ask? I'm not sure, but it have to be something big, so we can just run some people off of the road. The last thing on my list that I've been overcoming this year is definitely fear. There have literally been so many opportunities that I have passed up because of fear. Trust me, it took over my life. Whether it be fear of failure, the fear of not being good enough, the fear of leaving this earth without fulfilling your purpose. Trust me, the last one hit hard. I remember when the pandemic just struck, and if I'm being honest, I thought we'd all be gone by now. The way COVID-19 was just ravaging through the place, I literally thought we'd be gone. So I was like, there's no way I'm leaving this earth without fulfilling my purpose. There's no way that my business wasn't going to soar the way I wanted it to, or achieving a certain level of happiness, whether it be personal happiness, success in my business. I wasn't ready, and I wasn't done. So I think that gave me the push I needed to just get going. And guys, the journey has been amazing. I implore you all to just join me on this journey of self-actualization, success, self-fulfillment, whatever it may be. You're in for a while ride, you know. What you have to do now is subscribe to the channel. Just keep on watching. Look out for more videos. I have a lot of videos in the works, guys. Look out for those. As I said, I have a girls trip video coming up shortly. Listen, it was lit. So thanks again for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate you taking the valuable time out of your day, because we all got stuff going on, and you sat down here with me and you watched my life update. I also hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite part. Until next time, guys, bye. Peace out.